Among the most versatile woodworking tools, routers add aesthetics and structural support to many projects. A router table is a stationary woodworking machine in which a vertically oriented spindle of woodworking router protrudes from the machine table and can be spun at speeds. However, handheld routers can be unwieldy and imprecise, and you'd need to get a router table to keep it steady. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. PRS2100 comes with 2 containers and includes a quick clamp system. It offers 2 feather boards to help guide workpiece for more accurate routing, and the bit height gauge helps simplify setup and improves the accuracy of cuts. Also, it has a quick release router mount that attaches and detaches in seconds. Besides, it offers an efficient folding design, which means the table comes pre-assembled with minimal setup needed, and the legs fold for storage. Moreover, the accessory storage containers protect and store accessories with a router table. On the other hand, the starter pin and guard help support workpiece when routing curved edges. Another advantage is that it provides router mounting with easy bit changes and no leveling required. The Kreg PRS2100 has the tabletop, which is made from an edge-banded vibration and noise-resistant MDF and features an easy slide microdot skin. Also, the skin is constructed from a high-pressure laminate, which allows you to slide workpieces across the surface quickly. Besides, the heavy-duty aluminum fence has quarter-turn locking levers for quick fence adjustment and positive locking, sized, so they're easy to use but stay out of the way behind the fence. It features all new cam clamps that allow you to adjust the fence quickly and easily and lock it in place securely. Moreover, the fence is made from anodized aluminum, has adjustable sliding faces, and works as a vertical jointer.